Welcome back, fitness enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of planking. Specifically, what happens to your body when you plank for just 5 minutes every day? Let's find out. Planking may seem simple, but it's a powerhouse exercise that engages multiple muscle groups simultaneously. Here's what happens when you incorporate a daily 5-minute plank routine into your life. 1. Core strength. First up, your core gets a serious workout. 1. Planking targets not just the superficial abdominal muscles but also the deeper stabilizing muscles, leading to a stronger, more toned midsection. 2. Improved posture. As you hold the plank position, your back muscles are engaged, helping to improve posture. 2. Say goodbye to slouching and hello to a more confident stance. 3. Enhanced balance and stability. Planking challenges your balance and stability, activating muscles throughout your body to maintain the position. 3. Over time, this can improve your overall balance, reducing the risk of falls and injuries. 4. Increased metabolism. Believe it or not, planking can rev up your metabolism. 4. Engaging multiple muscle groups simultaneously boosts calorie burn, helping you maintain a healthy weight. 5. Reduced risk of back pain. By strengthening your core and back muscles, planking can alleviate back pain. 5. It's a simple yet effective way to support your spine and prevent discomfort. But wait, there's more. Planking isn't just about physical benefits. It also offers mental advantages, such as improved focus and concentration. Plus, it's a great way to relieve stress and tension. Now, let's talk technique. To get the most out of your plank, make sure your body forms a straight line from head to heels. Engage your core, squeeze your glutes, and hold for 5 minutes, or as long as you can, while maintaining proper form. So there you have it, folks. Planking for 5 minutes every day can transform your body and mind in incredible ways. Are you ready to take the plank challenge? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fitness tips. Until next time, keep planking and stay healthy.